Hi guys, Namaste. This is Wisdom Goddess coming up with another topic, that is how to take charge of your own life and answer to the call of your destiny. I'll be sharing some tips with you all which I personally resonate with as well. Let's start. See, we build our own life. It is in our own hands. We are solely responsible for our growth as well as for our downfall. If we need to achieve something, we must take the sole responsibility of achieving it, right? Nobody can do that for us. The first point: sharpen your skills or talents every day. I hope we believe that we all are born with our natural talents and gifts, our skills. Universe bestowed certain skills and talents within us. Nobody can say that I'm worthless or born without any talent. Yes, sometimes we might face failures, get knocked down, and feel we aren't good enough. But we all are special and unique. You might have a particular characteristic trait or traits in you that isn't present in anyone else. You are a unique soul, always remember that. But unfortunately, a very small percentage of people recognize the hidden talent within them, explore it, practice it, and share it with mankind. Only a few live their authentic life and chase their dreams. See, just like the diamond is useless unless it is cut, polished to make beautiful designs in jewelry making, our talents and skills, if remain dormant within us, is just useless. It's of no use. Even before your name and face, your qualities and skills is going to be recognized and valued. Unless you identify and put your skills to proper use, you will lack purpose and direction in life. Okay? See, your talent can be anything. It can be any creative expression: singing, dancing, pottery, designing, anything. And don't let anyone make you feel inferior for your skill if you're different from others. Okay? And believe in yourself. Second point: never fear anything. Fear is useless when you got success on your mind. Fear will only make you lose your self confidence, self discipline, self belief. Fear is the biggest illusion that rents in our mental space and keeps us stagnant. It will drown you in self doubt and confusion. See, for example, a swimmer will never learn swimming if he fears drowning in the water. You will never be able to take the initiative in fear. It holds you back, be it your own fear or someone else's fear, be it someone else's influence. Don't focus on your fears, but only on your works. Okay? It's nothing, it's just a state of mind. Third point: you are the builder of your own life. See, it's nothing much to explain in this point. It's closely related to the main topic. You only are the sole creator, the builder of your own life. I know right now, you might go through a period of crisis. You might have lost a job, a house, an important opportunity. And during this pandemic, people are going through a tough time period. Okay, still you can start from the scratch, but don't follow a path of shortcuts. Whatever you do, do it with hard work, dedication, and devotion. Let no one say that you can't start again. Okay? Nobody can build your life better than you yourself. Fourth point: let go of your burden or anything that no longer serves you. Now, what is a burden? A burden is nothing but an unnecessary weight that we carry within ourselves. Nobody can remove the burdens of your life, only you can. Your burdens can be personal, it can be emotions, unrequited love, expectations, family burdens like dispute in family relations, or social burdens like maintaining a position, fake image, status in the society. These burdens are nothing but responsibilities that don't serve you any longer. You will never be able to achieve anything new in your life if you hold on to previous burdens of anxiety, hatred, ego, jealousy, frustration, hopelessness. It doesn't let you move forward in life. So leave your past behind. Otherwise, it will act as a hindrance on your path to success. Fifth point, focus on your goal. I mean, this is a point I think everyone knows. Still, I would like to highlight this. First, we need to decide what we want, where and how we are going to achieve it. Set standards for yourself daily. And if you want to keep a journal, write down your daily goals. It is much better. I'm doing it right now. Okay? Because it helps us a lot. And keep revising it, keep seeing it, and keep working hard on it. If you're focused, nothing will stop you, and nobody or nothing can create any hurdle for you. Now, what are the various distractions that can stray you away from your goal? Firstly, your own addictions. Second, unrealistic expectations. Third, idleness, laziness. And the most important thing is procrastinations. They are your biggest enemy. It is all in your own head. Okay? Distraction is the only enemy of a winner, and focus is the energy and power of a winner. Sixth point. Life is all about our choices. See, it might sound very funny, but in the movie Spider-Man, Uncle Ben also tries to teach Peter that we always have a choice. Okay? With great power comes great responsibility. Good choices make you good. Great choices make you great. You will be known by your choices you make in your life. But always remember, always make choices wisely and practically. Don't get impulsive, restless, and make any hasty choices or decisions. Most importantly, don't make choices under pressure or someone else's pressure. Like this was the mistake even I did when I was unawakened, when I was immature, when I was naive. I always used to seek validation from others. Okay? Tried to live the dreams of others. Didn't listen to my own inner voice. What I wanted to do, what I wanted to achieve in life. Anyways, I got back on track. So, this is what you need to do. Your choices make you. Okay? Seventh point. The obstacles on your path. The obstacles of life is very important for our growth and development. The obstacles of life makes you stronger and brave in your life. Have you ever asked yourself why a mountaineer wants to climb the highest peak despite the fact he knows that there are many obstacles ahead in his path? Will he be able to reach it? What might happen him on the way? He knows very well. If he overcomes them, he will witness his great success and glory. The obstacles are nothing but an examination to check our worthiness and our inner strength. Okay? The eighth point. Struggle is a part of life. I'll explain it with a short example. See, when a small grain of sand falls into a seashell, it doesn't know where it has fallen. In fact, it doesn't even know what its ultimate fate is. It gets trapped inside and it struggles to free itself, but in vain. Its struggle goes on and on for months and years until it turns into a shining pearl. If it didn't struggle inside the seashell, it couldn't turn into a valuable pearl, right? So this world is also like a seashell, and you're that small grain of sand. You might get trapped into this world of obstacles, problems, and nobody will come to your rescue. You have to be your own savior, your own motivator. But at the end of all the struggle, you will turn into a priceless pearl, the best version of yourself. The last point, know your own worth. And this is a very important point. See, we all have our strengths and weaknesses, right? But never underestimate your worth. A stone is merely a stone if it's kept unused. But as you strike it with another stone, it will produce a spark of fire. Similarly, if you don't use your skills and talents for your progress, you will never know your actual worth, how far you can go. We are all a storehouse of skills and talents within us. But we need to discover it. Your worth will only grow and develop when you polish your skills every day. If you stay idle or ignore your own skills, you won't have your worth. Nobody can do that for you. So these are some of the tips that I needed to share with you all. it has really helped me in my journey, and it might help you too to move forward in your journey. If you found my video informative, helpful, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with more such videos. Okay? Your love and support is great, highly appreciated. I'll get in touch with you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Bye.